Dumpster rental service in Donelson, Tennessee. Are you in need of dependable and hassle-free dumpster rental services in Donelson, Tennessee? Pandy LLC specialize in providing top-notch waste management solutions tailored to meet your needs, whether it's for a home cleanout, renovation project, or construction site. Our dumpster rentals are perfect for homeowners, contractors, and businesses handling projects of any size. Whether you're tackling a home renovation, cleaning out your garage, or managing construction debris, we provide the solutions you need. Pandy LLC offers a range of dumpster sizes to suit your specific project. From compact options for small cleanouts to larger containers for heavy-duty jobs, we deliver the right size to your location, when and where you need it. Booking with us is easy. Just give us a call at 615-200-0865 to speak with our friendly team. We'll help you choose the perfect dumpster and arrange fast, hassle-free delivery. Our commitment to prompt delivery, competitive pricing, and exceptional customer service sets us apart. We take care of the heavy lifting, literally and figuratively, so you can focus on what matters most. Need a dumpster in Donelson, Tennessee? Call Pandy LLC today at 615-200-0865 or visit our website to book your rental. Pandy LLC is your trusted partner in waste management.